My Siemens washing machine is showing fault code F00 after I cleaned the water pump and clear the fault code 21. Now what?
Hi, F21 means a motor-related problem. The F00 is nothing as you have cleared the error code, so don't worry about that. What you need to do is check the wiring to the motor. Make sure there's no broken wires in there. If that's okay, then you need to remove the motor. From there, at the back either side are the carbon brushes. You need to remove these and check to see if they have worn down. If they have, then they will need to be replaced. Then retry the washer and fingers crossed this will cure the fault here. If the brushes are fine, then I'm afraid you are left with either a faulty motor or control here. If you need any more info, just get back to me. Regards.
But the machine works. Both the pump and the big engine, however the carbon brushes are worn down, but still the engine runs. I am from Denmark. Hope you understand what I am typing.
Hi, no worries, I know what you mean. When it spins, is it spinning fine, or does it like arc on the motor so you see sparks? Regards.
It spins fine, but there have been some fine blue sparks. But I don't know what you mean by arc.
Hi, the sparks are what I mean by arc. If it's sparking, then it's because the carbon brushes are very low. So you need to replace these, and I think this will cure the fault here. Regards.
Okay, but what about the F00 code? Will it go away by itself after I change the brushes?
Hi, is the F00 on the display all the time? If so, can you post the model number, please? Regards.
Yes, when I turn on it goes F00, then I go from 12 o'clock pause and to 6 o'clock pause then I push and hold the spin button, then the machine runs in any program while it displays 8:88. The number on the front is Siemens E1446.
Hi, okay, so by doing the above you are resetting it. So when you do the above and turn it off, when you turn it back on, it should clear it. Is it not doing this? Regards.
The instant I reset it, it goes 8:88 on the display and it turns on the program, but when I turn it off and on again, it goes F00 again.
Hi, okay, strange as the F00 isn't actually an error code. This may be coming up due to the worn brushes. As when these were, you can get the error code F21 coming up all the time. But if after that it's still coming up F00, then it's possibly the control board at fault here causing this, as it's not resetting itself. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.